So my cousin's mother called for a powwow with the boyfriend and my cousin to discuss her recent findings. She sat down and broke the news to them, and obviously you can imagine the disbelief. Cousin is 5.5 months pregnant, moved in with this guy, lived with this guy, gonna have a baby with this guy, and this guy, in fact, was her brother. So they found out the news from my cousin's mother, and she immediately moved out of the apartment that she shared with this guy. Well, her brother. She felt, now at this point, she felt uncomfortable with the living arrangement and obviously everything else that was going on. And her hormones were all over the place, obviously because she was pregnant. So not only did she just find out that she was having a baby by her brother, but she also had to rearrange her whole entire life because this is not something that is normal.